discreet, boundless energy on our feet. Feel the pulse through your veins. Bound by no rules, we break chains. Create the lanes. Forces collide in the frames. Tic-tacs on the alarms. As the deep track jumps. We break the norms. In this space we ride the storms. Lightning strikes a chord so wild. Dancing shadows in the aisle. Echoes roar through minds close tight. Shattering silence in the night. Laughter rings in empty halls. Crumbling walls make ghostly calls. Whispers roar like leaves in wind. Stories told by those who sin. Was a crazy dream. Life is more than what it seems. Keep your forward, crash and soar. Hear the roar. Eyes wide shut, but hearts awake. Truth bends, but it never breaks. Cracks in time where echoes creep. Secrets lay where shadows sleep. Tack in the midnight snow. Footsteps gone, but we still know. Gurgur in the silence deep. Memories that never sleep. Was a crazy dream. Life is more than what it seems. Keep it forward, crash and soar. Hear the roar. Feel the pulse through your veins. Bound by no rules, we break chains. Creates the lanes. Force collide and refrains. Feel the pulse through your veins. Bound by no rules, we break chains. Creates the lanes. Force collide and refrains. Feel the pulse through your veins. Bound by no rules, we break chains. Creates the lanes. Force collide and refrains. Feel the pulse through your veins. Bound by no rules, we break chains. Creates the lanes. Force collide and refrains. Feel the pulse through your veins. Bound by no rules, we break chains. Creates the lanes. Forces collide in the frames. Empty calls from running walls, make ghostly calls. Ghosts. Whispers roll like leaves in